What is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing for what is sitting next to me that has sat and waited for 5 years alongside another package actually that I'll unbox in a few weeks or so, something like that, or you'll see it in a few weeks or so. And you're probably thinking, why is something sat around for 5 years? And to be honest, I do not know. The thing is when I forget about some things, or if things are packed away and they're just put in place, that's it. This is what becomes of them. I've actually only just taken out like the front shipping part that was in this and everything, because it had dust and dead bugs within it, so that was great. But yeah, so basically what happened is I ordered this in 2021. It was prior to moving, so in the end I basically had it. It arrived literally probably like a month or so before moving, because obviously it came from Japan, as the thumbnail will probably indicate. And with that, I completely forgot about it, because moved, had it. I lost a few things when moving, that just, as you do, I suppose. And what happened with this is that in the corner of my room, there is I call it like a cubby hole, where basically it's just like a drop thing with like a lid where I can just store a load of things. And currently there are just boxes, there are Christmas decorations, and because I was putting Christmas decorations and such away, I then found this and another box sitting, and I was like, what are they? And then it came to my mind what they were, and I was like, oh. So because of that, in that like cubby hole, I've got like PS2 games, VHS, CDs, DVDs, all things like that, and it's just where I've just stored a load of things, and in the end it is now like the main place for Christmas pieces, decorative items and such, and yeah, with that I discovered this and I was like, I can just take that out. There's no point it being in there anymore, you know, why is it in there? And yeah, I have done so. We're going to unbox it, see what I actually ordered, because I can't remember what I ordered, and because of an update with the company that's obviously very large, when it comes to it you'll know, but basically an update that went on meant that all your old orders were sort of wiped, so I can't even see what it is. I don't have the emails because I deleted the emails. So yeah, we're just going to unbox this basically, so let's go ahead and do so. I didn't realise I was in double grey today. I'm not really a fan of a lot of matching like that, especially when they're like the same tones basically, but yeah, I still can't believe that I've left this alone for 5 years. And to be honest, I'm probably just going to sell what's inside, because I don't think I'm going to wear it at this stage, and I don't even know if they do sell for anything anyway, because I'm not clued in on what I've got. And beyond that, yeah, I don't know if people even care in the end. The same goes for like the other box that I've got. I'm like, are the things in here now even wanted? Because so much time has now passed that it's like, I don't know anymore. So anyway, let's open this up. Oh my god, seriously. Okay, so as you can see, what we have in here are some Uniqlo cores from 2021. This is their Tokyo First collection, and I just, yeah, completely forgot about it. So we've got one of the tees in large, which I believe when it's a Japanese large, it's actually a medium. So with that, you know, it's one of those things. So that is one of them with the big friend or what have you, whatever the name is. We then have another one of the exact same. Oh my god, what did I order? We have another one of the exact same. So we've got the friend or what have you, yet again. Same thing, large, white. We then have a third one of the exact same thing. Yes, 3 large. How much did I order? What did I spend? I don't even know what I spent. This is the one, and now we move on to the black colourway. Yet again, large. Big old graphic on there. We've got another one. So I ordered 5 tees in the end. That is insane. And then the last thing that we have is this, no, oh my god, Robert, what did you spend? We have a tote bag. Yeah, Uniqlo Tokyo First, Uniqlo, Cause. We have another tote bag, and that is everything that is going to be within the box. I cannot believe. What on earth? So I spent, what are these? So 2,000 obviously. So we've got 4,000. So they're 3,000 together, so we've got 7,000. They're 4.5 together. So we've got what? We've got 11,500 yen, plus shipping, probably like what, 30, maybe 25 or 30. And then maybe customs I probably had on top, which might be another 30. Trying to think of conversion. So I probably only spent on items, I think about 8,000 yen is like 35, 40 pounds. So I probably only spent about 50 pounds on items, I would say they would come to. I'm probably wrong, I might put the number up of what it actually is, but that'd be 50 to 60 pounds would be like my expectation. I don't think it'd be higher. I probably spent about 15 on shipping, so let's say 75, and then probably 30 would have been the customs or tax because of the shipping that I would have gone with. So I probably spent like 100, maybe 115 overall to get these, and I've got no idea what they're worth. To be honest, I didn't even realise I had 5 tees, and I don't even think these are like the popular ones in the end from that collection. I mean, they're cool and all. Cause Tokyo First, like, they're really, like, they're cool, massive graphics that just fades and such, but why on earth did I order 5? Like, my expectation must have been that I was going to wear one of each, keep a bag, because I'm pretty sure it was meant to just come with a single tote bag for if you bought like a couple of the tees, but for some reason I've got 2, so did I buy 2? I don't know. Really, like, big, nice tote bags and everything, but yeah. In the end, I don't really need them because I'm not really a tote bag person. But I mean, that's cool, you know, and it's a lot of stuff, isn't it? But I'll probably just end up just listing it up because I don't need it, and hopefully people still want it. I don't know, but yeah. I had no idea what I ordered, genuinely. I knew that I ordered a t-shirt or 2, or maybe it came with a tote bag, but I didn't realise that I ordered that much stuff. Yeah. Okay, well, that's great. I'm pretty sure there were tees that they released from that said Cause Tokyo First in the same text, like style that's included on this label, but obviously I didn't order those, so because I'm pretty sure that's what people would prefer to have. I haven't seen those anywhere, so I'm going to have to look into them because I've got no clue, but yeah, that is going to cover it anyway. So let me know if you've bought anything, you know what I mean, and just forgotten about it or left it and just like being like, oh, you know, surprise surprise when you've actually seen it and had it, because yeah, I don't know. But I've got another box that's going to be probably the same sort of scenario where I know one thing that I've ordered, I've got no idea what else comes with it or what else I ordered, because I'm sure things had like a spend limit and such at the time when I was ordering them, and I'll probably just end up just like listing them up, and I'm pretty sure they're probably not going to be worth anything in particular, but they've got a cool story to go with them, so yeah. But yeah, what an idiot, seriously. 5 years that sat in a box for like what in the end? I mean, it's cool because now like I've got some more things to list up, I suppose, but yeah, that's stupid. Anyway, that is going to cover this video. Let me know if you've picked anything up recently, whether you've got anything from any other brands or anywhere, you know, different, whether or not you've picked some things up from Uniqlo, because they've got really cool stuff. Currently, a lot of their items, to be honest, selling out because a lot of people are like, oh, you should just get a Uniqlo this or a Uniqlo that. Let me know if you've picked up anything. Like, I know I tried, but there's like massive hype around a lot of the Stranger Things sweaters and such, like the Shop Bros sweaters, I believe they are. Did not get a chance of those. They're just sold out, and then people put them up obviously for like 400, 500, 600 from like 80 or 90. So yeah, but that's about it, to be honest. That's all I've got to say. That's all I can talk about in the end, and yeah, can't believe that. But yeah, anyway, that's gonna cover this video. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace. What am I gonna do? it's so stupid.